Hey, what is up everyone? Today we are going to be talking about how to make money online through surveys. So my essential goal for today is to introduce you guys to the idea of making money through surveys, and I know you probably already know about it, but I want to show you guys specific strategies, specific options, and what I think is the absolute best way to make money online through surveys. And that's kind of a special little secret, and I'm going to be talking about near the end of the video, but it's really important that you kind of get familiar with my ideas and some of the strategies you want to use to make money online with surveys. So my goal is to make this fast and simple and easy. I really want you guys to understand everything I'm talking about here, so bear with me real quick. But quickly before that, if you guys want easy step-by-step videos showing you exactly how to make money online and at home, and make sure to subscribe and hit that little notification bell. Without further ado, let's talk about making money with surveys, because that is exactly what this video is about. So if you Google here, if I take my mouse, go here to any search engine and I say best way to make money online, the first search results, sorry for this weird image here, the first search results, most of them are going to be talking about surveys. So if we, go here, the second thing here says online surveys. So as you can see, according to savethestudent.org, online surveys are a great way to make money online. If we go here and it says, how do I make money online? One of the first things again is get paid to take surveys, and that's according to time.com. Especially for young people, take surveys. You see, surveys are a very, very consistent way, they're the consistent answer to that question. If you want to make money online, a great way to do it is with surveys. So then the question becomes, what's the best way to make money online with surveys? So I've opened up another tab right here, and I've typed in survey websites. Now, be careful and don't just jump to any one of these real quick. Bear with me because I have some very, very important information before I show you guys what to do here. Okay, so you have some options when talking about survey websites. For example, you have Swagbucks. Everybody knows about that. Everybody knows about Opinion Outpost, Pinecone, Vindale. These are some really common kind of well-known options that a lot of people do. The biggest problem, and there is a big problem here with these survey websites, is the fact that they are limited. So, for example, let's say that you create an account on one of these survey websites and, you're all excited, you're all really happy about making money online with surveys, and then for the first couple days, they give you 1 or 2 surveys, and you're like, wow, I just got paid $5 for that and $2 for that. I've made $7. It's so exciting. And then you realize that they're not giving you any more surveys. That is the worst thing possible about making money online. What they're doing is that they're limiting your potential. They're limiting your potential. And that is not what I want for you guys. So a quick example, a real life example for me, is that I used to use something called Google Opinion Rewards right here. So Google Opinion Rewards, I'm not trying to bash it. It's a great program, as you can see here. It's a survey mobile app for Android and iOS developed by Google. But here's the problem that I found in my experience with Google Opinion Rewards. And I'm not going to say you're going to have this exact experience, but this was my experience with it. I only got 10 to 20 cents per day, and some days I made nothing with Google Opinion Rewards. And I filled out pretty much all of the information that would make me a great target. I was going to be the great target market person, the person who's a consumer at which a product or service is aimed. So Google Opinion Rewards should be sending me a lot of stuff. I filled out that information, but the problem is that they don't have access to all the surveys, and they only run certain surveys. And it was overall a very limited experience. So if you're looking to make an extra 10 to 20 cents maybe a day, I'm not going to guarantee that that's the level you're going to make, because guarantees are the enemy of any YouTube channel, especially talking about online businesses making money online, because obviously I don't know your work ethic, etc. So no guarantees in any of my videos. Blah blah blah. I've said that a million times. Tired of saying that. Okay. Anyway, but back to the point here. Google Opinion Rewards is one of those places where, yeah, sure, you can make some cents, a few cents a day, but it's not going to be one of those big things, and you want a big thing. So that was my overall problem. And that is the same problem with survey websites. So a lot of the survey websites I went to that I've used, and I've used quite a few of these, is that they're a little bit limited. Now, that's just my opinion. I'm not trying to bash these websites, because a lot of them are great. But who wants to make an account on 100 different websites, right? No one wants to do that, and that's the problem. So you have a lot of options here, and a lot of them are great, and there's a lot of websites talking about survey X, survey Y, but there's a problem. So where is the solution here? How can you compile a list of surveys? That is the biggest question, right? So imagine this. Imagine if you could go on the internet and suddenly a giant list of all the different surveys from all the different websites came up, and they were all in one place, so you could easily do them all and hopefully potentially make some money with it. That's the big ideal here. That's what we want. That's what we really, really want, because that would be pretty darn cool. Surveys are pretty easy, so doing them is a great way to make money online. Well, here's the solution to that, and that is this website right here. So I just entered in a link, and it's going to take you to this website here, and I'm going to turn off the sound. And essentially you can see that this website, if you look at it, it's got a bunch of bright letters, this video showing this cash that this guy's getting, this check that this guy's getting, some weird trick or whatever. You guys get the point. It's one of those standard internet marketing websites, and I don't know why they believe it, but they totally believe that if they have bright colors everywhere, that people are going to be like, oh, look at that, I want this. Anyway, so as you can see, if you look past kind of those bright colors, it says, I've been taking paid surveys online since 2009 and have earned over $274,000 just from paid surveys. I know that might seem hard to believe, but it is 100% true and verified. You might have signed up to take paid surveys in the past and didn't make any money because you didn't know the correct way to get started. And that is exactly what I was talking about here. So this website is in the description below. This one that I was talking about right here, it's in the description below. Make sure to go ahead and check it out, because what it is going to do is to provide the solution. It's going to potentially provide you with that big solution that you kind of want, is to kind of consolidate a lot of these surveys into a list. And you want a list of surveys. That's the big thing here. Now, the one complaint I really have about this website is that it has this pop-up that keeps on going. It's not a very long page here. It just shows you about the service. It shows you what it can do for you. It shows you potential earnings, things like that. Shows you the proof. So make sure to go ahead and check out that website that's in the description below. It's pretty cool. It's Take Surveys for Cash. It's an extremely popular website. I know tons and tons of people who have visited it. It's promoted all over the internet. Everybody knows about it, especially in internet marketing. It's a really big thing. And so I thought I would show you guys this website, because I know, as you can see here, it's all colorful and the pop-up is the most annoying thing, but it's all colorful and it shows these, screenshots, etc. But that's that. That is the website, that is the service that says, if you want a list of survey sites to put everything into kind of one place, this is the place to be, and that is the website to go to. So make sure to go ahead and check out the website in the description below. I think you guys will be very, very pleasantly surprised. It's really cool stuff. As I said before, this is one of the most well-known survey kind of consolidation services. And it's a really, really cool thing. So instead of going to one of these websites and having to sign up for, 100 different accounts, This kind of puts all of them in the same place, gets you to be able to answer surveys kind of in one area and sends them all to you. And it's really, really simple and really easy, and potentially a great way to make money for you. So again, I don't know what's exactly perfect for you because I don't know you personally, and that's always the point here. I don't know you personally. I don't know your work ethic. I don't know what you're good at. I don't know what you're bad at. All I'm saying is this is a pretty awesome opportunity, and I would definitely recommend going ahead and checking it out, because if you want essentially a simple way to make money, surveys are super simple. Anybody will tell you answering multiple choice questions and one word answers is basically the easiest way to make money on the planet. You know what I mean? Then go ahead and check this website out and give it a look. And if it's right for you, go ahead and explore it and let me know how it goes, because this is some pretty awesome stuff here. And yeah, that's why I was so excited to bring you guys this today. And that's pretty much all I have to say. Make sure to go ahead and check out this website right here in the description below. And check out the entire page here. He shows his proof, etc. He shows all these emails he's getting of these surveys. And the one annoying thing about this website is that pop-up, I don't know, I think it's a glitch, will keep on popping up, and you're just gonna have to exit out of it. But yeah, that's pretty much what it is. And yeah, so go ahead and check it out, see if it's right for you, and best of luck with all of your survey online business experiences. Once again, guys, if you want easy step-by-step videos showing exactly how to make money online,